Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to begin. Put the Apple Watch snugly above the wrist bone so sensors maintain contact. Once done, open the watch's glucose app or your approved third-party app and confirm the paired continuous glucose monitor, CGM, shows connected. Make sure Bluetooth and background app refresh are enabled on your iPhone. This keeps readings flowing. If your CGM needs calibration, perform that now following its prompts, because accurate initial calibration prevents repeated errors as you continue. Now collect and confirm the measurement. Tap to request a fresh reading or view the live CGM tile on the watch face, and then wait a minute or two while the watch syncs new sensor data from the paired device. Make sure the timestamp is current and check the trend arrow so you know direction and rate of change. Confirm units, milligrams per deciliter or millimoles per liter, and cross-check with your iPhone app display to ensure consistency before acting on the value. Finish by logging the value in the Health app or your diabetes log and add context like carbs, insulin, or exercise to interpret the number later. If the reading seems implausible, make sure the watch and CGM sit on clean, dry skin. Reseat the sensor, force quit and reopen the apps, or restart both devices to refresh connections. If discrepancies persist or you feel symptoms inconsistent with the reading, contact device support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.